People who are two-faced are normally very weak people. They are people who want to appease everybody. So they will sit with you and they will say, say good things to you. Behind your back they will say something else. And then they will go to another group of people. They will sit with them. In front of their face they're very sweet, but their heart have enmity for that person. This is a person, generally the case with these people is that they are not strong characters. If he was a strong individual, this person would stand his ground and say, if he would need to say something, Alhamdulillah, nice, he would say nice, but he wouldn't be a dhul wajhain. He wouldn't be a person who says one thing in front of a person and another thing behind that person's back. Then that person will go somewhere else, exactly the same. Why? Because this individual is a weak individual. So if you ever see a person who tries to appease people in front of their faces, and then behind their back they'll say something else, or he lied to a person. I remember I was once with a group of people in Pakistan, and I know they voted for a particular candidate, and then they met the opposition. I was standing there and I knew who they voted for, and they were saying to him, oh no, we voted for you, don't worry. So these are individuals who are of a weak character. But secondly, a person who is two-faced is a person who likes to be loved by everybody. That's the second characteristic. This person will be sweet to you because he wants to be liked by you. He doesn't want you to think anything negative of him. Then he'll go to another group of people and he'll do exactly the same to it because he wants to be liked by everybody. He wants to appease everybody. In appeasing everybody, he attains the displeasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That the Messenger of Allah said that the worst of people, imagine this, the worst of people will be that person who has two faces. And he will be called in front of the entirety of humanity, and he will be asked. He will be asked. And in some scholars even go to the degree that they take it literally, that Dhul Wajhain, on the day of judgment, Allah will give him two faces. So the entirety of humanity can see that this person had two faces in the dunya. Brothers, sisters, don't endeavor to please everybody. Wallahi, you're on a losing battle. People spare nobody. That is the nature of people. You spend your entire life trying to appease people, and then being sweet to this person. If you're sweet to the person, alhamdulillah, for the sake of Allah, good. But this belief that you are trying to appease this individual and somehow humanity will become happy with you, it's never happened. Please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah will place it in the heart of individuals that they will love you.